everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am again in front of you with the solution of class 6.3 for class 9. I am here with the lecture of class 9 in which I solved exercise 6.3. I have already done in my previous video, I have already done the question number 1, 2 and 3 for all of you. Now I will solve question number 4th, 5th and 6th of the 6.3 exercise. Okay, so let's start. This is the question number 4th in which it is told to you the angle PRT is 40, angle PTSQ, the TSQ is equals to 75 and RPT, that is 95, and you have to find the angle SQT. This is SQT, you have to find this angle. Okay, how you can find? I will take this angle as an angle 1. Okay, thus by angle sum property, how you can solve? By angle sum property in triangle PRT, angle P plus angle R plus angle 1 is equals to 180 degree. Okay, by using angle sum property, I will solve the value of angle 1. 95, that is angle P, 95 plus 40 plus angle 1 is equals to 180 degree. Now I add these two. The 95 plus 40, that is 5 and 13, 135. Okay, so this 135 plus angle 1 equals to 180 degree. I will find the value by subtracting 135. When it comes here, it will come into the negative sign by 180 degree. So I will subtract 135 from 180, it will 5, 7th, that is 45. Okay, so I will write the value 45. Now this is equals to 45, the angle STQ is vertically opposite angle STQ, that is STQ is equals to angle 1 because vertically opposite angles. Okay, this is vertically opposite angles. Angle STQ, this is STQ, that is STQ is equals to 45 degree. Okay, now I will work on my angle which I have to find in triangle STQ, angle STQ plus angle Q plus angle S is equals to 180 degree, right? STQ is equals to 45 degree. It is angle Q which I have to find. Angle S is equals to 75 is equals to 180 degree. Now add these two angles, 45 plus 75, that is 45 and 75, that 10 and 120. It will equals to 120 plus angle Q is equals to 180 degree. Angle Q is equals to 180 minus 120 degree. It will equals to 60 degree, right? Now angle Q means SQT. That means angle SQT, that is SQT is equals to 60 degree, right? So this is the angle which I have to find. By using the only one concept you have to use to solve this question, that is angle sum property, and one more concept, that is vertically opposite angle. Only two concepts solve this full question. Come to the question number 2nd. Next question, that is 5th question. How you can solve it? That is also very simple. First of all, I will write the definition for you. I will write the question for you, so it becomes easy for you to understand. Okay, so I will write the question first of all. What is the question? Question is question number 5th. It is given you in figure. In figure, that is PQ perpendicular to PS, PQ parallel to SR, it is given, and angle SQR is equals to 28 degree and angle QRT is equals to 65 degree. Okay, then find the value of the value of x and y. Value of x and y. What are the values? I will make a diagram for you. It is given to you in the question. You have to find the value. Okay, so this is the diagram which is given to you. This is P. This is Y. You have to find with S. This is R and it is given as 65 degree. This is X and this is 28 degree, and this will equals to Q and this will equals to T. Okay, then close. You have to concentrate on the angle which you have to find out. Okay, so this is the question in which you have to find the value of x and y. One angle is given to us. These two lines are parallel. If these two lines are parallel, PQ is parallel to ST. It is given ST. It is not S. This is yes, SR and ST one of the same meaning because it produces up to T. So SR and PQ both are parallel lines. This means angle PQR or angle QRT both are vertically opposite, but both are alternate interior angle. Angle PQR is equals to angle QRT because alternate interior angles, right? So how you can find PQR is the combination of these two, that is one is x plus 28 degree is equals to QRT, that is 65 degree. So x is equals to 65 degree minus 28. It comes here with the negative sign. 65 and 28. 8 that is 7, then you can carry 5, 37 degree, that is 37 degree. So x has a value 37 degree. Now we will concentrate on the y, value of y in triangle PQS x plus y plus angle P is equals to 180 degree. It is given as 90. This is 37 degree plus y plus 90 degree is equals to 180 degree. Okay. So I will add these two, 9, 10, 11, 12, 127 plus y is equals to 180 degree. So y is equals to 180 minus 127 degree. Okay, so after subtracting these two, 180 minus 127, so we have 7 minus 2, that is 5, 53 degree. So y is equals to 53 degree. So this is the way to solve the question. Only two concepts are used in this question. First is alternate interior angles and the second one is angle sum property. Only two questions will solve the full question. Only two concepts will solve the question. Okay, come to the third and last question of 6.3 exercise. That is very important question, and student feels that it is a difficult question, but it is not so. It is not a difficult question, but when it includes not numerical values, the student feels it is a difficult question. Okay, so come to the question in the figure, question number 6. In figure, the side QR of PQR, triangle PQR is produced to a point S, is produced to a point S. Okay, if the bisectors of angle PQR and PQR and angle PRS meet at point T, then prove that prove that angle QTR is half of angle QPR, right? So we have to make the figures which is given to us. We have to make the given figures which is given to us. It is P, it is T. Okay. QRS. This is QR and this is S. Now you have to prove. The last question. The last question, student feel it is difficult, but it is a very important question. So this is very important question. Okay. This is very important. Bisector means which? If the bisector of PQR, this is PQR. Who are the bisector in the given figure? The side QR and PQR produce to S. If the bisector of angle PQS, this is a bisector, and PRS, this is PRS bisector. Both bisector meet at T. These two bisectors, that means TQ and TR, both are the bisector of angle PQR. So I will write it as angle 1. Okay, I will write it as angle 2. Okay, so I will use one property, that is exterior angle property, in this question. What is the exterior angle property? The exterior angle is the sum of opposite two interior angles. Okay, so how will solve? I will solve the question by using in triangle. I will use in triangle PQR. In triangle PQR. Angle P. Angle, we can write it as QPR. It's QPR. Angle QPR, that is QPR plus angle PQR. Angle PQR is equals to angle PRS. PRS. I will write the reason because exterior angle is the sum of opposite two interior angle. Opposite two interior angles. Two interior angles. So I will write the property. Now angle QPR, I will write it as angle QPR as it is, and PQR, I will write it as 2 times of angle 1 because TQ is a bisector of this angle. So we can write it as 2 times of angle 1 is equals to this full angle, and this is a bisector. I will write it as 2 times of angle 2. Name it as equation number 1. Now in triangle TQR, what is the angle QTR? Angle QTR plus angle 1 is equals to angle 2. Same exterior angle property, because exterior angle property I have written on the top with these values. I will see that there are two same equation. There is not 2 multiplied. So I will multiply with 2. Multiply by 2. When you multiply each term with 2, you will get, I will rub from the upper side. Okay. You will get, this is equation number 1. I will get, when you multiply by 2, that is 2 angle QTR is the plus angle 2 times of angle 1. 2 times of angle 1 equals to 2 times of angle 2. Name it as equation number 2. Now subtract 1 minus 2. So I will write angle QPR plus 2 times of angle 1 equals to 2 times of angle 2, and equation 2, that is angle QTR plus 2 times of angle 1 is equals to 2 times of angle 2. Now I have written all these equation. I will rub from the bottom so that I will solve it. Now after subtracting, subtract, it will cancel, it will come into the negative sign. QPR minus 2 times of angle QTR equals to 0. I will take this on the right hand side. QPR is equals to twice of angle QTR. This is multiply common division sign, 1 by 2 QPR is equals to angle QTR. This angle, this is, we have to find angle QTR is half of angle QPR. This is the way to solve the question. This question include only one step, only one concept, that is exterior angle property. By using exterior angle property, we have two equations. After subtracting that two equation, we will get the required result. Okay, this is the required result. Okay, do the practice of this type of question, do the more and more practice of this type of question. Thank you.